Hello, kids. Today we're going to be reading I Am Helping by Mercer. I am a good helper. I wash the clothes. I help get them dirty, too. I help sweep the porch. I help cut the grass. I help make the beds. I help take out the trash. I help do the shopping. I help feed the baby. I help him burp too. I help fix the window. I help dust the furniture. I help vacuum the rug. I help pick the apples. I help weed the garden. I help watch the baby. I help bake a pie. I help eat the pie, too. That looks like a pretty good pie to me, too. I am such a great helper. The end. And that, kids, was I Am Helping by Mercer. Have a great day.